Heartwarming moment as Buju Banton reunites with his daughter.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
7 years ago, during Buju Banton's sentencing, a U.S. federal court in Tampa heard a heartfelt request for leniency from the reggae icon's then 11-year-old daughter, Abihail Myrie. "I can't imagine life without my father," the child reportedly wrote. "I would really appreciate if you would give him a second chance." It was therefore no surprise the joy she felt over the weekend after being reunited with her father. Abihail shared the heartwarming moment in a social media post on Instagram. "I have imagined what this moment would be like, replaying it over and over again in my head. But now, I can't stop imagining because that moment is finally here," Abihail wrote. "It is so real. I can't even find the words to express how I feel. I missed you so much. I am so happy to finally have you here. My heart is so full. How do you make an exact replica of yourself though? Twinning." Photos of the moment show both Buju, real name Mark Anthony Myrie, and his daughter overjoyed as they embrace. The post has since been shared thousands of times on social media as Buju Banton fans celebrate his release from prison.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.